Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to weekly roundup of all the financial developments going around us. It's now almost certain and confirmed that we are in the midst of an economic war due to all the international scenario around us. The Trump administration has imposed heavy tariffs since past 4 months. The effect of that tariff is now showing. The rupee dollar conversion ratio, the rupee has weakened to its all-time low and have passed psychological barrier of rupees 90. It's a mixed bag scenario. The imports will be very costly. However, the exporters are happy. The more the imports, the more the foreign exchange in dollars will be spent, the more will be inflation, the more will be spiraling effect of price rise if passed on to consumers. There are very conflicting figures as of now from the capital markets and the macroeconomic scenario. Moreover, the share market is lingering near all-time high. The GDP numbers are also promising. The projection has increased to 7.3%. Recent RBI governors bi-monthly policy have also reduced the interest rates and also infused enough capital to tame this very tempting and intimidating situation. And also the Indian participation in share market is increasing manifold, and at the same time all the foreign exchange is going out of this country since past 16 to 17 months. A tremendous push and pull is happening. A tremendous tug of war is happening, and the moreover, it's only because of retail participation the markets are lingering near all-time high. All the numbers, interdependent numbers, are very much contradicting each other. We need to be very cautious, very studied, and very watchful to take any decisions. Many interdependent factors are conflicting each others. So take very informed decision. So take a very studied decision. The sole purpose of this short video is to educate, is to give education to all in the field of financial literacy, so that their hard-earned money will not be wasted and will not be lost. Thank you. Have a good weekend.